Friends, today we are going to see applications of Tortoise Hare Approach. To begin with, we should know first what is Tortoise Hare Approach. As you can see, we have initialized two variables, slow and fast, and in table for updation of slow and fast at every time step. As per rules, slow will move one time per step and fast will move two times step. Okay, now S will shift to the second element too and will update those entries, and F will move to the third element. Now next time S will move to the third element and F will be on the last element. As you can see, S is now on the middle element. We got our middle by using approach, you can say, named as Tortoise Hare Approach. Now let's implement this in our coding part. We will first initialize slow and fast as head. Now after this, we will run a while loop while fast and fast dot next slow equals to slow dot next and fast equals to fast dot next. Okay. Now after this, we will return slow dot data. Now let's compile our code and run it. You can see we have the desired output 3. Before I end this video, I need you to comment your solution in the comment section. Thank you.